Why do YouTube creators struggle to make thumbnails that grab attention? For many, it's more than just a lack of clicks. It's the frustration of watching videos with great content go unnoticed, while others with less quality get all the views. The real problem? It's not what you think. Most creators lack the design skills, time, and data-driven insights to craft high-performance thumbnails. This means videos get fewer views, slower channel growth, and less monetization. It's a cycle that keeps creators stuck, feeling invisible in a crowded space. Common solutions like DIY design tools or hiring expensive designers often fail to address the real issue. They don't provide the instant, eye-catching thumbnails that boost click-through rates. But there's a better way. Imagine an AI-powered tool that creates scroll-stopping thumbnails in under 60 seconds. With Clickly, creators like Chris saw his CTR skyrocket, getting more views with every upload. Sarah, a lifestyle creator, used to spend hours on thumbnails that didn't convert. Now, she gets high-conversion designs in seconds. This means more views, more subscribers, and a growing influence in the community. Ready to transform your thumbnails? Click below to discover how we boost click-through rates and engagement with Clickly, the AI-powered thumbnail solution.